These are the drains which don't convert to the major. So still you have to follow. So they form small drains like this and they come here. Majorly everything comes. Everything has to join in there. Because flow lines they join here and there only the rainy season they when it rains it comes.
Dagli. Masih dur. Live.
दोन्ही
Oh,
ओके
ada. Spiritual live. बोटा काढ. आता दे. ना आता दे. काय बोलले ना खरंच दाखवायचं फोन
ये हा प्लॅन म्हणजे
बाउंड्री ना हो एक नंबर वळलो
तिथे असं
ये भी काढून फोटो होतो
हर्ष हो गया उनका सेटअप सर को फोन किया था ना किधर कब आएगा 2:30 बजे बोला था ठीक है बोलो वो उनका पहले बंदोबस्त करने को बोलो सबका in an allied form for a long distance. It makes its own regime and then forms a stability. And you'll have clay, you'll have all that. These are all not nallas. These are also draining lines. Allow the water to flow, no doubt, from the catchment, but they don't have a formation line. They don't form. No rivers, you see a form, perfect formation. Nallas, you form a small drains, you don't find it. I block in my house, it goes in her house. He block, it goes in his house. So that is the level.
नसून जो फ्लोज गेला पाहिजे या येणी आपलं स्वतःचं असं एक नाला तयार केला आउटफ्लो कळय नाही ते सगळे खय सर विलेजन पावलं सगळे सगळे
Water cannot be compressed, nor it can be. It has to be stored under pressure. It needs space. आता पण यहाँ से फुल्ली स्टेबल का
टेबल में सगळे शेकरे अंगा कशा असं हे जे सगळे शेकरे येऊन आता पण जितके शेकरे ते आता थोडे सगळे या नाव वॉश आउट जाऊन इतले पाऊस
Yes, some के lobra from here, from the wall. So the
That is the wall.
broken and fallen.
आम्ही म्हणता न्ही तेका प्रेशर कितको आसतलो जेन्ना अशें फातर आसा ते हें जाता
Exactly.
डिस्बर्स जाता
Come with force and then now it's settled because it's
जसं केलं तर ती माती आसा हें आसा ती हें जाली न्ही जसो लोट येतलो उदकाचो तसो जालें
here block जाता ना पाथर block.
पळय बाय हांगा जर आतां जर हें केलें न्ही हांगासर कट केलें हांगासर जे झरे जे आसा म्हणटा पळय आम्यान आसा अदरवायज ते कितें हें फक्त हेच्या आतां पावस पडून केन्ना कितको तेंप जालो हें उदक खंयचें कळ्ळें न्ही म्हाजो जो आर्ग्युमेंट आसा न्ही तो आसा कळ्ळें न्ही जे एक्वाफायर आनी हेजे बद्दल आमी जे उलयता पळय तें न्हू हांगासर मातशें उसपल्या पुरो कळ्ळें न्ही तुमी जरे बांयक कितें जाता बांयचें तेंच जाता आमचें मातसो पालो पडलो हें जालो झरे आसा ते ब्लॉक जाले कळ्ळें न्ही उदक कमी आनी जेन्ना आमी बांय उसपता घे घो 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 करता सामकें भरता बांय कळ्ळें न्ही
स्प्रिंग जो त्यांना ब्लॉक होतं आता आम्ही ते पोया
हय पळय
सो हियर वी वॉन्ट टू क्लाइंब अप
We should map this area also, no? Because this is one of the.
then we will go, we'll not walk like
There is a way here. We came from
yeah
that
then
side.
we'll go We'll see
Do
everything.
you want to see the down one now and then go up?
We'll come down. You wait here. We'll come down and we'll go there. That's
So
the end, no?
from there only we can go
Yeah,
further
what,
then.
that's what, huh?
If we see this first,
Yeah,
we can
then
go.
you
Yeah.
can go up, that's what I'm saying. See this?
We'll go up.
yeah, we'll have to go up only.
Yeah.
What she's telling.
We see this first and then go. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. So from there again
sense.
top we reach where
Then we
we were.
reach and we go from there. Exit.
We see this and no?
Yeah, that will be better.
I think what you're saying is see this, climb up,
And then climb up and
join here. Is that what you're saying?
No, see this and come, go up.
No,
this
no,
side.
no. Instead of first if you
So going
go
up first and
there,
then coming back down.
okay, if instead of going there now, okay, first we'll take this point, okay, then come down आणि तो जो काही म्हणता काही नाही सर तर थंय पासून गेले आम्ही. आणि थंय गेले आणि मागीर सारखे हेजेर काठार पावले न्ही आमी काठार पावले
Survey will be perfect.
कळ्ळें न्ही फिनिश जातले आमचे
I'll confuse you. Do what you do? You stick here only. No. We are coming down now again.
Again, okay. fine.
आणि अशें वता आमी अशें वतले
We'll come down here only.
अशें वचपा मेळटलें न्ही रे
Oh, so you know the-
हे असे सकले आणि असे.
Otherwise we can go out from there. Is it possible?
या पॉसिबल
Out means it doesn't
Back up, no? We'll have to finally go up.
हे जेवण हांगा अडकला आयली.
Finally we have to go up.
पोलिसांक थंय दिता.
आणि आमकां ते सगळे हांव केन्ना जाम मदींच मरतले मरे.
So we'll just rest it out a bit.
ऑटो पॉइंट मार्क केला ना ते उलयताले
We'll sit here
तो
only.
मार्क कर
Yeah, that's what.
ऑटो पॉइंट
हांगा कितके पॉयंट आतां मार्क करता सर हांगा कितके पॉयंट मार्क करता आतां
अच्छा एनीथिंग
कितना लोग है?
70 total.
हम बात 30 है ना?
हॅलो खंय रे पावला?
सर हांगा आतां कितें खंयचे पॉयंट मार्क करता तुमी
आम्ही किती करता? दोन तुम्ही इनलेट म्हणून सांगले. एक
हय
आणि एक दोन दोघे म्हणता वाटले ते वयरसून मार्क करू म्हणजे त्यांच्या रिपोर्टाप्रमाणे ते बसतले ना सारखे
हय दिस वी हॅव ऑलरेडी मार्क.
या दॅट्स व्हॉट वी वांट टू सी दॅट वी मार्क इट. ठीक आहे देन NIF ऑल्सो विल सी एव्हरीबडी विल सी. हां बंदार सगळं
आता मातशें रेस्ट करत
पण हांगा आयला
येवपाक 10 मिनटां लागता
पंकज मॉनिटर कर.